the boys here. The guns. Oh yeah. Look who decided to show up. We got Tim. We got Marco, Dolly. Oh man, that's blinding.
Mesh goggles are not allowed in the airsoft area.
Watch your engagement distance. Alright? Don't get you.
I'm a Speedsofter.
I'll let you guys know. Oh shoot, my mag. Oh my bad. Dude there. Hey. Oh, hit. Dang, bro. Be careful between those. Drew's f***ing fearless, my guy. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Is he out?
Let's shoot him.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, shoot. That was a bad jam. They're back by the pillar. I hit. It's Semi. It's freaking Semi. Bang kill. Bang kill. Bang kill. I'll hit. Hit. Dang, bro, this guy's a beast.
I walked on this guy, I'm like, bang. He's like, no, you have to say bang kill.
Got him, boy. Got him. Got him. We got the boys. How was the first round, Tim?
It was good. I got 2 kills with the grenade.
All the kills.
Quick. 1, 0. Alright, hold it.
Let me push. I'm pushing.
Quick.
Friendly, 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 friendly. All good, all good, all good. Let's go. Speedo mode. Oh shoot. I was just so puzzled because you were talking to that dude.
I know. He was like bang bang, and I'm like, well, technically one guy said bang kill, and it didn't die. And that's just like a jerk thing to do.
Yeah.
I said, I'll give it to you this time.
We're gonna go straight into the game.
Bank kill! Oh, sorry. Oh, wait, look at that.
I'm sorry. So you're hit also. Bang kill, I'm sorry. Yeah. Bang kill. I'm so on.
Oh, dude.
Hit. Where are you going? Go.
Epic. First aid. Oh.
Sorry. Back kill.
You're lying.
No.
No.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Wait, I crashed it. Right side, take a grenade. If you're gonna push.
The dude's in the building. In the building. The guy behind the barrier. Guy behind green. You hit me. He kept on shooting after I hit him, man. Thank you. Okay, I see him, I see him, I see him. Go, 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 go! Do you know who won that round?
Some good fights out there.
Do you know who won?
I don't know who won that one.
I don't know, the light was off when it was on.
Oh, so the ref had to turn it off. I don't know.
Yeah, that was good.
That was fun.
Good job, yeah.
Yeah, that second round was brutal. Yeah, that was crazy. Yeah, that was.
I was going full force. I did not care if I got lit up or not.
That last session was raw, dude. Yeah, that was insane.
That was crazy. We got the boys sitting here eating lunch, and we're watching Airsoft game on the security cameras all out there.
Man. Oh, that hurts. Oh. What? Ah, what? What? Oh. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm gonna play safe. Grenade. Bang. Ready? Okay, that's my last ride, okay? You don't have lights.
Go.
Thank you for not shooting me.
You're welcome. Did you shoot?
Did you shoot?
Bank kill.
Okay. This tracer unit in the DVS, that's so great. Look, you can see where it's flying.
Okay, go back. Out.
Win kill. Go back. Bang. They shot.
Okay, the boys, everybody's exhausted. We packed up. Airsoft Arena was pretty good, I would say so.
There is Valley 600,000 million billion kills. Alright, pulling up to the gas station.
Like 20 gas cans or something.
He said,
Thankfully there's no plastic bags in sight.
nachos, because most of the barbecue